Visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Synchronization.
Merging.
Yes.
Merging.
Sync means what?
Compare.
On the same page.
Sync means on the same level. Syncing means we should have everything on the same level, same page. Okay. Okay. For example, if you are telling this is not in sync, means both are not on same page, both are not on same level. Okay.
Okay.
So synchronization means it is a process to make both the script and the application under test into same level. Okay, fine.
Can you repeat again?
Yeah, I will tell you an example, then you'll understand more. Okay, so synchronization is to keep on the same level. Okay, for example, I am talking now. If my voice is reaching you after 5 minutes, then it is not in sync, right?
Okay, yeah.
Did you saw some record videos? If there is slow, then the lip movement will not sync with the voice.
Yes.
Have you saw sometime like that video?
Yeah.
Then what you will tell?
I don't know why I'm getting background.
Yeah, we are getting background noise.
Yeah, yeah. It's not clear.
Yeah, fine. See, we will tell. So the lip movement is not in sync with voice. We will tell. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes we see some videos where lip movement, they will be moving the lips, but the voice will come after 2-3 seconds.
Yes.
Then what we will tell?
It's not in sync.
Then what we will tell?
Synchronization is
We
not
will tell
sync.
that a lip movement is not in sync.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So sync means both should be on the same level.
Okay.
Based on the voice, the lips also should be moving. The lips movement should be there. Okay.
Okay.
So now everyone understood sync, right? What is synchronization? Means both should be matching. The speed of both should be matching. Even the voice and the lip movement both should be matching. Okay. Then only we say that it is sync. Both are in sync. Now here we are having application. Okay. And the script. Both we are having. When I'm doing actions on the applications, then it should be, for example, I have written one script. I am having a payment. I'm placing some order of the payment. Amazon, I am selecting a product, adding to cart, and I'm placing an order of an item. Now, till the order is placed, my delete order will be not available.
Okay.
My test case is I have to test delete order. Okay, my test case is to test delete order. In that case, unless until I place the order, delete order button will be disabled. Yes or no? Because once I place the order, then only I can delete the order.
Yeah.
Without placing the order, I can't delete the order. So what happens? For example, for placing the order, it may take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depends. Okay. We are aware that it should not take more than 3 minutes or more than 2 minutes. It may take 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds, or 1 minute. Depends on the internet speed, sometimes depends. Okay. In that case, we have to tell to driver, click on place order and then wait for 1 minute. We have to tell, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So then only you click on delete order, because we are sure that within that 1 minute the order will be placed and the delete button will be available. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, but everyone understood the synchronization, right? What I am trying to say is, see, both application and the code should be in sync. Okay. Code means the driver, the actions of the driver. Okay. Now I should wait till the delete button is enabled. What I'm telling to driver, hey driver, place the order, click on the order button, and then wait till the delete order button is enabled. Because once the button is enabled means place order is successful. Then only delete order will be enabled. If my place order is failed, then delete order will not be enabled. You agree?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
see, delete order may take, placing order may take 10 seconds, sometimes 15 seconds. Maximum it will take 1 minute. Okay. Then we will tell to driver. After placing order, you wait maximum for 1 minute and see if delete order is enabled or not. If it is enabled, go and click on that. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So now, for example, one of my friend is coming to my home. Okay. He's coming for the first time. He don't know my home address. So what I did, he told I will come to this bus stop. Okay. Then what I did, I sent my driver to that bus stop to pick up him. I sent my driver to pick up him. Okay. So when I sent my driver, I told driver, he told my friend told that in 10 minutes I will reach bus stop. So I sent my driver. I told the driver in 10 minutes my friend will reach, bring him home. Okay. Then my driver went to the bus stop. He will wait for 10 minutes. If no one is coming in 10 minutes, he will return back. He will come and tell us no one has came to bus stop in 10 minutes. Yes or no? Because I told him to wait for 10 minutes and bring the person who is coming. Is it clear what I'm trying to say? Yeah.
Yes.
So now whatever time I say, the driver will do the same thing, right? If I tell wait for 5 minutes or wait for 10 minutes, wait for 20 minutes, he will do the same thing and bring the person. Okay. Now here also in waiting, we are having 3 types of waiting. How many types?
3 types.
3 times.
One is thread.sleep. One is implicit wait. The other one is explicit wait. What are the three ways of synchronization? What are the 3 ways?
Thread sleep, implicity wait, and explicity wait.
It is not implicity. It is implicit wait and explicit wait. Okay.
Yes.
I will try it. Everyone are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So what is synchronization? Synchronization is a process
Of matching
to make both script and application under test. See, application under test means application under application under test means what?
the process.
The runtime of
The application whatever
which
is
we are testing.
whatever we are testing. Okay.
Yes.
Application under test means the application whatever we are testing. Okay. Fine. So forgot there are 4 types. 4 types of synchronization. Okay, first one is thread.sleep. First one is thread.sleep. And here in thread.sleep, we'll be giving always some milliseconds. If I give 5000 means it is for
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 seconds.
Sorry, 5 seconds. Okay. Thread.sleep means 5 seconds. Okay. Second one is implicit wait. Third one is explicit wait. Fourth one is fluent wait. Okay. So how many ways we can tell the driver to wait? How many ways?
4.
What are they?
Sleep, implicit wait, and fluent wait.
Very good, very good. So now when I say thread.sleep, okay, see now I'm telling my driver, go to bus stop, then thread.sleep for 10 minutes, and then bring my friend. I'm telling, okay, what I'm telling?
Wait for 5 minutes.
I'm telling, go to bus stop, thread dot sleep for 10 minutes, and then bring my friend. Okay.
Fine.
I'm telling in the same way when I compare with application, I'm telling click on place order, thread dot sleep for 1 minute, and click on delete order. Okay. What I'm telling?
Click on place order.
Very good.
Thread
Wait
on
for
thread
1
dot sleep for 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Click on delete order.
Very good. So now here, whenever I say thread dot sleep for 1 minute, what my driver will do? Driver will close his eyes and sleep. Okay. So if, for example, he goes to bus stop, okay, he will sleep for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, immediately he will wake up. He will check if friend is there or not. If friend is there, he'll bring him to my home. If there is no person, then he will return back. Yes or no?
Okay. Yeah.
So you should just remember that thread dot sleep means he will close his eyes and sleep. For how much time? Okay. Even my friend came in 5 minutes. I told him to thread dot sleep 10 minutes, but my friend came before 5 minutes only. But still my driver will not open the eyes because I told him to sleep for how much time?
10 minutes.
Because I told him to sleep 10 minutes, he will sleep 10 minutes. My friend who came early has to wait. Okay. In the same way, whenever I'm telling place order and then click on place order and then thread dot sleep for 1 minute and then delete order, even though delete order place order is completed in 20 seconds, rest 40 seconds my driver will be sleeping only. It will not perform action on delete button even though delete order is available. Okay. Because I'm telling thread dot sleep for 1 minute, it will blindly sleep for 1 minute. We're able to understand.
Yes.
So whatever I tell thread dot sleep, even though the next action is available, it will not perform because I'm telling thread dot sleep. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So wherever we use thread dot sleep means it will blindly sleep for that much time. It is not worried at all. It will just close the eyes and sleep. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Next one. Implicit wait. What?
Implicit.
So now implicit wait is like deprecated. Okay. So now it's not available, but for interview purpose, you have to know. Okay. What is implicit wait? Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. What is implicit wait? For example, now I'm telling my driver, go to bus stop. You implicit wait. I'm telling not thread dot sleep. Now I'm telling implicit wait for 10 minutes and then bring my friend. What I'm telling?
Go to the bus stop and implicit wait for 10 minutes and bring the friend.
Very good. So now driver went to bus stop. Okay. So now when I say implicit wait, he will be not sleeping for 10 minutes. Okay. He will not sleep. Every 1 second, he will open his eyes and check every 1 second whether my friend has come or not. Okay. Every 1 second. Okay. He will be checking. Assume if my friend comes early 2 minutes, because every second he's checking, he's available into 8 minutes. He will bring my friend to my home. Because every second he's checking, right, whether my friend is coming or not.
Yeah.
Once he reached in 5 minutes or 6 minutes or 7 minutes or 8 minutes, because he's checking every second, he knows that he has reached, then he will bring him to my home. Okay. If my friend is not reaching within 10 minutes, then what he will do?
We'll wait for 10.
Come back.
No, he will wait maximum for 10 minutes. Because
Yeah.
I told implicit wait for 10 minutes. Even thread dot sleep will have do the same thing. If my friend is not reaching within 10 minutes, after 10 minutes in thread dot sleep, he will open the eyes and see if there is no friend, he will return back. Say your friend has not come. Okay. In implicit wait also, he will wait maximum for 10 minutes. If the friend is available within 10 minutes at any time, it might be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, no problem. Okay. If whenever he's available within 10 minutes, he will bring him to my home. Okay. But within the 10 minutes, every second he's trying. Okay. Every
second.
very good. That is implicit wait. Okay. Implicit wait and explicit wait both are same. Implicit wait and explicit wait both are same. Okay. Then what is the difference means? For explicit wait, I have to. Okay, now you understood what is implicit wait, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what you understood?
It checks every second.
It will check every second
Until
till
the element is
till
element
the
is
time,
available.
till it reaches the time.
Yeah.
Okay, or till the element is available. Okay.
Okay.
Now when we will take some application now. Okay. Now I told that click on place order, implicit wait for 1 minute, then delete order. Okay. So after clicking on place order, if delete order is available in 10 seconds, then it will place the order and come back. So it saved how many seconds? See, I will tell the scenario once again. I'm telling click on place order, thread dot sleep for 1 minute,
Okay.
and then click on delete order.
Okay.
This is one case. The second case is I'm telling click on place order, thread dot not thread dot sleep, but now this time is implicit wait for 1 minute, and then click on delete order. Okay, in one case I'm using thread dot sleep, in other case I'm using implicit wait for both 1 minute. Now the delete order button is available in 10 seconds. Then if I'm using implicit wait, how many seconds I'm saving? If I'm
90,
using
90 seconds.
90 seconds, huh?
50
I'm using
seconds.
50
Only 1
seconds.
minute.
I'm using only 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sorry.
So how many seconds I'm saving in implicit
Sorry,
wait?
50 seconds, sorry.
50.
See, I'm saying 50
50
seconds.
seconds. Yeah.
Okay, because if I tell thread dot sleep for 1 minute, even though my delete order is available in 10 seconds, it will not perform action
Yes.
because it will open the eyes only after 1 minute.
1 minute.
Because it is implicit wait, it will be checking every second. After 10 seconds, when that delete button is enabled, immediately it will do the action and continue. So 50 seconds I'm saving. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now explicit wait. See, now implicit wait and explicit wait both are same. Both are same.
Same.
Every second it will try to find the element every second till that element is available. Okay. But what is different means implicit wait is declared globally. Where?
Global.
Global.
When I say globally means what?
For the whole script, it will apply
Like public.
public.
So if I mention in the top, okay, implicit wait, it will be applicable for whole script. If I tell implicit wait for 1 minute, implicit wait for
1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, then not only a delete order. For example, I am having some other. Okay, in some other place, I am not giving any wait. I'm not giving.
Any wait.
Any
I
wait.
don't want to wait anything. Okay, for example, I want to. I'm just doing search for the products. Okay,
Okay.
I'm expecting that after search immediately the product should find, but products are not coming. But still it will wait for my code is open the URL, enter Samsung in search, and then select the first product. Okay,
Okay.
I'm not giving any weight. Okay, I'm not giving thread dot sleep or any weight because I have given implicit weight at the global level for 1 minute. After entering Samsung, even though I'm expecting that I have to select the first product immediately, if the first product is not available immediately, it will wait. It will search for the first product till 1 minute. Okay, but what is my requirement? the product should come immediately. But sometimes the product is not coming immediately, then it is a defect or not?
Yeah.
See,
Yes.
the product,
Yes.
my requirement is whenever I'm searching, the product should come
Immediately.
Immediately.
okay, but the product is not coming immediately, then it is a
There is
defect,
a
right?
yeah, synchronization
It is a
problem.
performance issue. It is a, because my requirement is immediately it should come, but immediately it's not coming, then it is a defect for us, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
But because I'm using implicit weighted globally, when I'm running the script, even that 1 minute, my intention was to use that 1 minute only for delete order, but here also it will wait for 1 minute because I'm declaring that implicit weight at global level. Okay, so whenever I'm declaring something global level, it will be applicable for all the script in that class. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
For example, my script is failing. Somewhere my script is failing. Till 1 minute, it will not report that it is failed because it will be trying for that element for that 1 minute because it has a global implicit weight. Okay, so implicit weight will be giving globally. Where?
Globally.
Globally. So even though I'm not telling that to wait in this step, but by default it will wait because I'm telling implicit weight globally.
Okay.
Okay, see, I'm telling, for example, I'm telling go to bus stop, implicit weight 10 minutes. Okay, and then bring my friend. Okay, so now I'm telling go to bus stop. My friend told, for example, there is some other person who is already reached. Okay,
Okay.
then I'm telling my friend driver go and bring. Okay, my friend. So even if, for example, he has not yet reached. Okay, what I'm expecting, he has to go and come immediately. Driver. Okay, driver has to go come immediately because I'm not giving any implicit weight here. Okay, I'm not giving any implicit, I'm not telling to wait for him implicitly. Okay, I'm not telling him to wait in the bus stop, but still he will wait because implicit weight is at global level. Okay, so for each and every element it will wait for 60 seconds if that element is not available. If the element is available, it will do the actions. Okay, for one more example I will tell. Okay, so I gave implicit weight for 1 minute for placing the order and deleting the order in between. Okay, so I will click on place order. I give an implicit weight at the globally for 1 minute, so it will wait 1 minute till that delete order is available. If it is available in 30 seconds, it will do the action. If it is available in 40 seconds, it will do the action. Maximum 1 minute it will wait. Okay, now my requirement for payment is within 10 seconds the payment should be successful. Within how many seconds?
10
10
seconds.
seconds.
Within 10 seconds. If it is not successful within 10 seconds, means it is a defect for me. Okay,
Okay.
now because I'm having implicit weight for one minute, even though the payment is not successful within 10 seconds, it is not worried because I'm having implicit weight for 1 minute. After payment successful, I'm telling that verify, get the text of your payment successful, or get the text of reference ID. I'm telling. Okay, click on pay now and then get the text of payment successful. I'm telling. Okay, what I told?
Click that and get the text of payment successful.
So I'm expecting that the payment should be successful in how many seconds?
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, but the payment is taking 50 seconds. How much time?
50
50
seconds.
seconds.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. But my intention was if it is taking more than 10
Then-
seconds, it is failed. It should fail.
Yeah.
The test
Okay.
case is failed because it should not take more than 10 seconds, but it is taking 50 seconds. My automation will not fail the test case because I'm having implicit weight of 1 minute in globally. By default, it will wait for how many seconds? whenever something is not available?
1 minute.
1 minute,
Wait.
because I'm telling implicit wait, I'm declaring at global level. So for
Yeah.
all the elements, it will be applicable.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
You understood now what is implicit wait? Where we declare the implicit wait?
It is globally.
It is declared globally. Okay, and because we are declaring globally, this will be applicable for all the web elements. Okay,
Okay.
wherever it's needed, it will applicable. Wherever it's not needed, also it will applicable. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now explicit wait. Explicit wait we will not give globally. We will give wherever it is required. For example, for payment, okay, I need 10 seconds, then I will give explicit wait for 10 seconds. Okay. For delete order, I need 1 minute. I will give explicit wait for 1 minute, because wherever I want, how much time I want, I will explicitly mention next to that statement only. I will not give that globally. Okay. But implicit wait we give only globally. So which will be default be applicable for all the script. Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so what is implicit wait?
Implicit wait means we can declare it globally. It will applicable for each and every element of that page.
So implicit wait time is
Globally.
applied on all elements. Okay. As it is declared globally. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Very good. And here we no need to mention any conditions. Okay. We no need to
Mention any conditions.
mention any conditions. Okay. For explicit wait.
Whenever it is required.
Explicit wait is applied on only elements where we give. Okay.
Only
Elements
particular
where
element.
it is needed. Yeah, we can tell like that also.
Okay.
Applicable on particular elements. Is that clear?
Yeah.
We need to specify condition. Okay.
Okay.
For this. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. The next one. Globally non needed. Okay. The next one we are having fluent wait. What we are having?
Fluent.
Wait.
Fluent wait. So this is also same, but we will be having something additional called pooling time. What? Pooling time. Okay. See, I'm telling maximum wait for 1 minute. Okay. What I'm telling maximum?
Wait
For
for
1 minute.
But now I'm telling maximum wait for not implicit and explicit. Maximum wait for fluent time 1 minute. What time?
fluent time.
Fluent time 1 minute. In that case, what it will do? I need to give pooling time also along with this 1 minute. What I have to give?
Cooling time.
Pooling time. When I say pooling time means I have to give for example, if I give 5 seconds, okay, I'm giving maximum 1 minute. I'm giving pooling time as 5 seconds. Then my driver will go to bus stop and he will open his eyes every 5 seconds.
Yeah.
See, in explicit wait and implicit wait, he'll be opening his eyes every second. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. But here I'm telling open your eyes for every 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then he will open his eyes for every 10 seconds by maximum of 1 minute. Okay. For example, if my friend is available at 31 second, my friend is available at on 31 seconds because my driver just opened eyes on 30 seconds and closed again. Again, he will open eyes on
35th second.
35th second. Okay. Even though my friend is available on 31st second, he will not bring him because he will open his eyes again after 5 seconds only. Okay.
Okay.
So this is fluent wait. Why we use, when we use, okay, in real time. For example, I'm doing a payment. Okay. If you observe, whenever your payment you're doing, first on the same web element, you will get a message like payment in progress. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
On the same place, on the web element, on the same page, same place, after few seconds, first after clicking on pay now, you will get, after few seconds, you will get payment in progress. After few seconds, you will get payment successful. But you can see the message on the same place. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, for example, your intention is to capture the message payment is successful. Okay.
Okay.
You told click on pay now, and then you give the web element and give dot get text. And then you are comparing that, you are storing that get text to a variable, and then you are comparing that variable with actual and expected. Okay.
Okay.
What is your expected? Your expected is payment is successful. Okay.
Okay.
And you are giving explicit, you are giving some wait for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay. You are giving explicit wait for 10 seconds. Okay.
Mhm.
When you are giving explicit wait for 10 seconds, every 1 second it will be trying to get the get text of that element. Yes or no?
Yes.
See, it will get the text. It will not know that it has to get the text only payment is successful, because you are giving the web element and trying to get the text. Whenever there is text on that web element, it will go and take. Yes or no?
Yes.
But I'm giving maximum explicit wait for 30 seconds. Assume 30 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
First what text it will be getting?
Payment is in process.
Payment is in process. But my driver, how will know? My driver will know whenever there is text on that element, my driver will take that and come,
Okay.
because I'm giving the web element and then I'm telling dot get text. So what he will be doing, he will be searching for that web element to get the text. Whenever there is message payment is in progress, then he will get the text and come out. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because first I will be getting that message. After 5 seconds, I will be getting payment successful. Okay. Getting my point? So assume my scenario is whenever I click on pay button, for 2 seconds, I will be getting message like payment is in progress. After 5 seconds, I will be getting message payment successful. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the requirement?
Within 2 minutes,
Payment
payment processing.
successful.
After 5
2
minutes,
seconds.
payment successful.
2 seconds.
Sorry, 2 seconds. Yeah.
Okay. Upon clicking on pay button, I will get a message after 2 seconds as payment in progress. Okay. I will be getting message payment successful after 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Okay. Now, when I told my driver explicit wait for 10 seconds and get the text on the element, maximum 10 seconds and get the text on the element. Now, because that element has a text payment is in progress, my driver will take the text and come out, and then it will fail the test case because my expected is payment successful. But the actual whatever the driver has brought is
Payment is
payment in progress. Okay, but I don't want driver to capture the payment in progress. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
In that case, I will not use implicit wait. I will not use explicit wait, because if I use implicit wait and explicit wait, because on that element, whatever is available text, first text, it will take and come.
Okay.
Okay. But if I use fluent wait, which wait?
Fluent wait.
Fluent wait. here I can mention after how much seconds he has to open the eyes.
Okay.
See, payment successful. Once the message is available after 5 seconds, it will be available for 1 minute, 2 minutes also like that only. It will not change. Yes or no?
Yes.
Unless until we do the next action. If I use thread.sleep for 1 minute or thread.sleep for 10 seconds, it will close the eyes. After 10 seconds, it will open. Whatever message is available, it will take that message and compare.
Okay.
But if the message is available within 5 seconds, the remaining 5 seconds, we are wasting the 5 seconds time. Yes or no? Because it is
Yes.
thread.sleep. Now, if I give implicit wait, it will capture the text within 2 seconds also whenever the text is available. But within 2 seconds, whatever text I want, I don't want that text because it is not the correct text which I am looking. I
Okay.
want the text only after 5 seconds. Yes or no?
Yes.
In that case, I will tell to driver, wait maximum for 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and then open your eyes after 5 minutes. 5 seconds. Open your eyes after
5 seconds.
every
5
5 seconds. So by the time first time my driver is opening his eyes, already payment processing message came and went. Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yeah.
Because payment processing message will come in 2 seconds, but my driver is sleeping, so he will not look into that. By the time he will open his eyes for the first time, the payment successful message should be there, will be there. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then he will capture that message and come back. You were able to relate fluent wait.
Yes.
Yes.
The fluent wait, we are telling that pooling time. Okay, pooling time means every 5 seconds it will be checking.
Okay.
Every
5 seconds. It
5
will.
seconds checking.
5 seconds or 2 seconds or 1 second or 10 seconds, whatever time we give, it will be checking. Okay.
Okay.
For that element, it will check for that many times. Okay.
Okay.
See, checking every second
Mhm.
and checking for every 5 seconds, there is a different. Okay. When I'm telling him to check every second, okay, the process will be running. Okay. Every second. Okay. When I'm telling check for every 5 seconds, the process will be running also, but it will be running for every 5 seconds. There will be some performance. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here, now you understood where you will use implicit wait, where you will use explicit wait, where you will use implicit fluent wait, when you will use thread.sleep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where you will use fluent wait?
By if you want to give some polling time, we can use the fluent.
Exactly. So in interview also, if somebody asks what is fluent wait, you can explain. Okay.
Yeah.
Fluent wait is it is also as wait only, explicit wait and implicit wait also, it is same, but we are having some pooling time in this.
Okay.
What is meant pooling time means? You can explain this
Whatever
scenario.
the time. Yeah.
Yeah, it will not search for every second or every millisecond. It will search for the element
Whatever the
after
time
the
we have.
pooling time
The polling time.
each time. Okay.
Okay.
If the pooling time is 5 seconds or 10 seconds, it will search for the element after that 5 seconds or 10 seconds every time. Okay. But for explicit wait and implicit wait, it will search, it will be keep on searching. Okay.
Yes.
Till that element is available for that maximum time. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Very good. So how many types of synchronizations are there?
4.
What are they?
Or
Red dot sleep, implicit wait, explicit wait, and fluent.
Very good. Very good. What is implicit wait?
In implicit
We
wait,
can declare this
it
globally.
apply to all elements of the page, and we
Applicable.
can declare globally.
Is up
Mhm.
There
declared
is
as
no need of
globally.
conditions.
Very good. I will just write the definition for fluent wait and then we'll see practically. Okay. Maximum of time. which we can give maximum time to wait for specific condition with a pooling
Pooling.
time. Okay, clear. Fine. So now we will look into some practicals. Okay, is that clear right now?
Yes.
Yeah. So based on the situation, you have to decide what you have to use. Okay.
Okay.
See, instead of fluent time, you can use thread dot sleep also. You can just ask, you can use thread dot sleep for 5 seconds or thread dot sleep for 10 seconds. By the time it opens it right, you will be having only one message, payment successful. Yes or no?
Yes.
Even if you give 30 seconds thread dot sleep, even after that, when it open, it will be having payment successful message only. But why we have to use fluent wait means to save the 20 seconds, to save the 25 seconds. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Because when we are running one test case, two test case, we don't mind for 20 seconds, 30 seconds. When we are having hundreds of test case, it will be having impact on time performance. Okay.
Okay.
So only we use fluent wait explicit. We will not use thread dot sleep. Okay. Thread dot sleep very rare we will use. Okay. We will not use thread dot sleep at all. Okay.
Okay.
Clear. Fine. Now we will look into this practically. Okay. I will just open an application. So for explicit wait, we are having some sample website. I will just open that. I will share all these links. So you can practice these links. Okay. So this is the website. Okay. So for example, this is the website. Okay.
Okay.
See, for example, here you can see something display button after how many seconds?
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
So what I have to tell to driver first click on this button,
And wait for 10 seconds.
wait for 10 seconds, then only that button will be available.
Okay.
See, after that only the button is available. Yes or no?
Okay.
See, for here example, this button is available, but it is
Hidden.
this button is available, but it is disabled. But when it will enable after,
10
10
seconds.
10 seconds.
so I have to tell driver click on this button, wait for 10 seconds, and then so sometimes it may take, for example, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. I don't know.
Mhm.
I don't know. Maximum it may take 1 minute. So I can tell, hey driver, click on this button and then explicit wait maximum 1 minute. The condition is this button, this element is enabled. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now you are able to understand in which scenarios. See, for example, you think this is a pay order. This is pay button. Okay. Place order button. Okay. This is place order button. This is delete order button. Okay. Whenever I click on place order button, unless until this is process is complete, this delete order will not be enabled.
Yes.
Okay. So to test delete order button, I have to click on this and then wait for certain amount of time till this is enabled. I don't know. It may take 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds sometimes. Maximum of 1 minute. Then I can give explicit wait. Maximum of 1 minute. The condition is delete button should be enabled till the delete button is
Enable.
enabled. Okay,
Okay.
very good. Now I will tell explicit wait. Okay, So for explicit wait and implicit wait, see for implicit wait, thread dot sleep we all know we can give directly
Yes.
like this, and then here we'll give milliseconds. Okay, now I will show you implicit wait also. Implicit wait, but now we will not use that, but I will show the syntax for your knowledge. Okay, we told that implicit wait we will be giving at global level, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So for that we'll be giving driver dot manage dot. Okay, we are not having driver location. Okay, so we can use here directly.
Basic.
My
No.
driver.
No, yeah,
Yes.
my driver. Manage driver. No, because I
My
have not
driver.
extend. No, I have not extended.
Extend. Yes, just
See, and here I can give the URL.
URL.
So this is my URL. Okay, so now I will go and tell driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicit
Implicit.
wait. Okay, and how much time? For example, I'm giving 30, means 30 seconds. Okay, 30 means,
30 seconds.
see, I'm giving 30. I have to tell driver whether it is 30 seconds or 30 minutes or 30 hours. I have to tell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to give here time. Time unit. What?
Unit.
Time unit.
Not. See, it can be days, hours, microseconds, seconds, minutes. Yes or no?
Yes.
I'll tell 30 seconds. When I tell like this, it will wait for that much time. Okay. This is for implicit wait. Okay. This one we will give globally. If you give one time, that is enough. It will be applicable automatically for all the web elements. Okay. Even though I'm not expecting that it has to wait for some time, the action should happen immediately. If the action is not happening immediately, because there is an implicit wait, it will wait for 30-second maximum. Okay.
Mhm.
Now explicit wait. So I told for explicit wait, I have to give condition also. What I have to do?
Give the
Condition.
Condition. For explicit wait, you remember that there is already a class. Okay, we have to create an object of the class and use. Okay, the class is WebDriver wait. What is the class name?
WebDriver wait.
Okay, I'm giving an object name as wait is equal to
New
new
WebDriver wait.
WebDriver wait. Okay, now here I have to pass two things. One is driver information. Okay, see, if I place on that method, it is expecting driver, it is expecting WebDriver, and then time. Yes or no? In seconds.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Okay.
Here it is not having time unit. Okay, here it is having directly seconds only. They have mentioned only seconds. But here,
Yes.
if you see for explicit,
Implicit.
sorry, if you implicit, there is time unit, not seconds. See
Yes.
here, implicit wait, it
Yes.
is having time unit, not seconds. But when you see explicit wait, here it is time seconds. We have to mention only in seconds. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have created this object. I'm importing that. So what I'm telling, I'm creating an object for this. I'm passing the driver. Here I have to give seconds. For example, I'm giving 30 seconds. Now using this wait, using this wait object, using this object, I can inform wait dot until what?
Wait dot.
Until.
And my expected condition. What is my expected condition? Expected condition. Expected conditions, for example, wait. Expected conditions. For example, I want to wait till the button is displayed. What?
Till the button display.
Till the button is displayed.
Okay, we can write that. Clear?
Yeah.
Or displayed means visibility, right? Yes or no? Expected condition is dot. If you give, we are having all this in that method. visible, invisible. Okay. And then we are having something called visibility of element. What visibility? So I can select this. Okay. And visibility of element of located. So we have to select this method. So it says wait until visibility of element located, and we have to give the information of that particular element. Getting my point? So I'm telling, hey driver, wait maximum of 30 seconds till this element is visible. Till that?
Element
That
is
element is visible.
Okay. So for example, now we will see here. Okay. Now here the button is not visible, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I'm just inspecting here. So here, what I will do, I will first try to click on this. Okay.
ID. Yeah.
I will try to click on this, and then I will try to click on the other button. Okay. So I will tell here. After opening this website, I will tell driver dot find element by dot id. This is the id. Okay. Dot click. So after clicking, what I am telling, after clicking, you wait for this time. Okay. I'm telling after clicking, wait for this explicit time. How
Okay.
much time?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. And then here I have to give on it. I have to inform to the driver on which element it has to check. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So now when I click here, this button will be available after 10 seconds. Okay.
10
So
seconds.
after 10 seconds, I will get the locator of that element and I will give to the driver. If I go here, inspect, it is having ID hidden. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I can use directly. By here, I am not giving everything. I'm giving just by dot ID. Okay, I'm telling wait until what is my condition? Visibility of element located by this ID. Read this statement.
Wait until expected condition
Expected
of
conditions
visibility
dot
of
visibility
element
of element
located by ID hidden.
So what I'm telling to driver, I'm telling driver, wait for
Wait.
maximum 30 seconds. Okay, wait until visibility of element. This element is visible. What I'm telling, wait until this element is
Visible.
visible.
okay.
Mhm.
In this case, okay. In this case, it is not visible. Yes or no?
Yes.
In this case, it is not visible. So I'm telling, wait until
Wait.
this is visible. Okay.
Yes.
When you come to this scenario, you should not tell visible because that is already visible, but it is disabled.
Disabled.
So you have to tell condition
Enable.
till that element is enabled. Okay. So based on the situation, we will be writing our condition. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now, see, first I will not write this explicit, but what I will do, I will run the script and then we will see after implementing what happens. So here, this button, right? This is the hidden. Okay. So I will tell driver dot find element by dot id dot click. I have to click on this. Okay.
Yes.
Or instead of click, I can check one more condition. Dot is displayed also I can check. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is displayed returns me Boolean value.
Yes.
So what does it return me?
True or false?
True or false. Boolean, I'm just giving a variable true or false. Okay. So I can print that. So what it returns me?
True.
True. So, no. So now if I run, what happens we will see. So what it will return me if I run? What it will return?
False.
Why?
False, because
Because we
there is no
didn't-
time. We have not given any explanation.
Any
Set
wait.
time and wait.
Wait for that to enable.
See, we have not given any time. Yes or no? True. See, it is giving me what?
False.
False.
False. Okay. So now I will insert this explicit wait here. Okay. So you can check before and after. I will check before and after. Okay. This is before and this is after. Okay. Next. I will give. Okay. Now I will give the same thing after explicit wait. I'll just change the variable. Okay. Is it clear what I'm doing?
Both print before explicit wait.
So here it will print me false and here it should print me true. See here how much time I'm giving. If I give 5 seconds here, what happens?
Will again fail.
It will again fail.
False.
Okay. But now I know that it will be available within 10 seconds. Assume you don't know that it will be available in 10 seconds.
Mhm.
I can give maximum 60 seconds. Example I'm giving. Okay. So assume sometimes it may take 5 seconds, sometimes it may take 60, 20, 10 seconds, 20, 30, depends upon the net speed of your internet. Okay.
Okay.
In that case, I know that maximum it should not take more than 1 minute. Then I will give maximum how much minute?
1
1 minute, because I know that maximum it can take 1 minute, but it should not cross more than 1 minute. Okay. In that case, I will give the maximum time. Now I will run. So because even though I'm giving 60 seconds, after 10 seconds, my execution will stop. See. See, after 10 seconds, it is waiting. Okay, first it given false. After 10 seconds, it will give me true and it will stop the execution. See, yes or no?
Mhm.
It is not waiting for 60 seconds, even though I have mentioned 60 seconds, because it is an explicit wait where it will be checking every time for the element. Is that clear?
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This is how we will write wherever we want with a condition. Okay.
Okay.
See, I can give thread.sleep also. It will also do the same thing.
But it
But
waits.
But it
correct.
sleeps for
Wait for
Whatever
60
time,
seconds.
exactly, whatever time we give, even though the element is available before that, it will not consider. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So 1 minute, I will just try this. I will just try this implicit wait also and just see. I will just show. So now I have given this implicit wait globally. Okay. See, I have given how much, where I have given implicit wait globally. Yes or no? Now I will run this. See, it is not working.
Yes.
False, false, immediately it gave. Okay. But for interview, you just prepare. They may ask what is difference between implicit wait and explicit wait.
Okay.
Then what you will tell?
For implicit wait, it will check for each and every element in the web page. For
If
explicit
you
Sub-element.
exactly, if you mention something in implicit wait, it is declared at global level, so it will be by default applicable for all the elements. Okay. Clear, very good. If but I don't want for all the elements, I want for specific elements only. Okay. In that case, I will use explicit wait only. So in explicit wait, you can give the condition. Okay. Like whether the button should be enabled or displayed or disabled. Okay. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Very good. So now I will show you about your
Yeah.
understanding, right? This is
Yeah.
very, very important concept. Huh? This is you will have interview question on this 100%. There will be no interview without this question. Okay.
Okay.
So how many, see what is synchronization?
To match the time.
With the magic.
So synchronization is a process to make both script and application and the test into sync. Okay.
Okay.
Because my script will run fastly,
Yes.
but my application is doing some process. It takes
Okay.
some seconds to complete that process. Yes or no?
Okay.
Then I have to make my script to wait till the process is completed. So only then it can proceed further for next action. See, my first action is place order, click on place order. Second action is click on delete order. So my script is running fastly, but when I click on place order, delete order will be available only after certain seconds. Till that I have to tell to my script to wait. Don't be hurry, wait. Okay. Why? To make the application and our script in sync. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. So now I will tell, see, I can't show you example of fluent wait, but I will explain you. Okay.
Okay.
Fluent wait. So what is fluent wait? We'll be using cooling time.
Cooling time.
Yeah. Very good. So for fluent wait, we are also, see, for WebDriver wait, we are having a class. In the same way for fluent wait also we have a
Class.
class. Fluent wait. For example, I will just give something called wait. I'm also giving as I will give F wait. Okay.
Yeah. Fluent wait.
Fluent wait input. Okay. So I have to give input. So this input will be driver. Okay. Right, new fluent wait. Okay. So now here I have to give like F wait dot with time out. Okay. With time out and duration I have to give with time out 1 minute dot with time out duration and which we have to give time unit also here. Okay. So for example, I am telling 50. So I have to give time unit also, whatever I am giving. Okay. Time unit dot. For example, I want minutes. Okay. I can give like this 2 minutes. Okay. Instead of giving 120 seconds, I can give 2 minutes also.
Okay.
Dot pooling every 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds we can give. Okay. This is also time unit dot seconds.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. This is the way where we can tell that. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear?
So the format will be same for all times.
Yeah, yes, the format will be same. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So in interviews, you can just explain them where you used fluent time. Okay. If he asks, can you give me an example where you have used a fluent wait? Then you should not tell, hey, no, I have not used. You can tell whatever example I told. Okay. You can tell in we are having a payment where we'll be getting first 2 seconds. I will be getting payment in progress. After that only I will be getting payment successful after 5 seconds. So if I don't use fluent wait, it was giving me always payment in process and the script was failing. Then we made a fluent wait instead of explicit wait. So first message within 5 seconds, whatever I get, it will skip and then it will consider only the next message. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So how many types of waits we are having?
4.
Very good. What are they?
Implicit wait, explicit wait,
And fluent.
Very good. Super. Okay. So now So now we have completed all the basic concepts of Selenium. Okay.
Okay.
Now from tomorrow's class, we are going to start framework. What?
Framework.
So we will start with TestNG framework. What is the framework?
Test
Test
engine.
engine.
Okay. So see, what is framework first of all?
Framework that which will help us to write a script so that we can reuse the methods and maintain our script properly.
So maintenance will be easy. Okay. See, for example, you assume you are you will travel more. Okay. Whenever you travel, you take photos. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now you will place all the photos in one folder. Okay. You will place all the photos in one folder.
Right.
Now assume you want to take a photo, you want to get one photo where you have took something somewhere in some place in India. Okay. Then it is easy to find that from all the photos.
No.
No, right?
No.
Instead of that, you have created multiple photos. Okay. You took photos in Hyderabad. When you visited Hyderabad, you created a folder Hyderabad and you placed all the photos in that Hyderabad. When you
Right.
visited Delhi, you placed all the photos belong to there. When you visited Bangalore, Mysore, so now, for example, you want a photo of Hyderabad, then you directly go to that folder and then search.
Yes.
So instead of searching thousands of photos, you will just search that 100 of photos.
Yeah.
So what is there? See, the photos are same, but you are having some structure. Why you are having such structure? Maintenance is easy. So framework also is nothing, but we'll be implementing the same way, same Selenium, but in a structured way. Okay. For maintenance, see, because when we start writing, our test cases will not be 1, 2, we'll be having hundreds of test cases. We have to maintain, right? We want to generate a report, right? Okay.
Yes.
So we will look into that from tomorrow about the framework. Okay. Whatever the framework which we are looking is, which framework?
Test engine.
Test engine.
So we will look into the TestNG framework. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you also try for a couple of days how to take the screenshot of alert screen. Okay. You try.
Okay.
Okay. Then I will tell you.
Alerts is not working, sir.
Yeah, it will not work. I told right. Because
Yeah.
what happened when alert is opened, the background screen, it will not be active because of
Ah.
this alert. This is blocking that.
Okay.
So you
Yes.
can't take directly the screenshot. You have to implement a different way. Okay.
Okay.
So I can tell you, but I want you people to Google and try multiple ways. Okay.
Okay.
So that you also will learn whenever you are facing some issue, how to Google, how to debug. Okay.
Anis, yesterday you asked for typing a name in the alert text box, but I was not able to do it actually. I was trying but not able to
So
find.
who did that?
Me, sir, Sravanti.
Me, I did.
Okay. So
Okay.
so Ruchika, you can check with them.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Even
Yeah.
whatever they tell, if you don't justify, if you think no, it's not correct, then you can contact me. I will help you. Okay.
Okay, sure.
It's clear. So yesterday I have pushed the code lately, so I will push the code right away now. Okay.
Yes.
So I will go to my project. So everyone is able to pull, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. So what I have to do after going to the project?
Open the
Open the command prompt.
Very good.
We'll
status.
check the status.
So when I check the status, okay, the file, this is the file which I created today. Yes or no? Synchronization Java
Yes, yes.
means this is untracked file. What?
Untracked file.
They are called as untracked file. So whatever newly we added file, those are not tracked. Those are
Not tracked.
means untracked files. Okay.
Okay.
Now when I do git add dot, then only this file will become
Tracked.
tracked file. Okay. Clear.
Come.
So whenever you hear something, this file is not tracked means this is not added.
Okay.
Okay. Now, after git add, what I have to do? I have to git commit.
Commit. Fine. Commit.
So now what happened when I do git commit?
All the files are ready
All the files are ready for what?
to push.
To push. Okay. Where?
Push
Repository.
Very good. Very good. Now I have pushed my code. Now you can pull the code. Okay.
Yes.
See here, there are two repositories. How many repositories?
Two
Two.
repositories.
We are having one Git, the other one as GitHub. If you all remember, when I'm teaching Git, I have
Okay.
done some, you have installed one Git in your local system. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is Git. You install just Git, which is for your local repository, which is for your.
Local repository.
So Git is for local repository. GitHub is remote repository. Okay.
Okay.
Local means only belongs to your system. Remote means everyone can be doing action on that. Okay. So always remember, Git is local repository, GitHub is
Remote.
remote repository. See, there are two repositories, local repository and remote repository. Okay.
Okay.
Commit happens to your local repository. Commit.
Happens to the local repository.
Okay. Push will happen to your.
Remote repository.
So push, pull, push and pull will do actions only between two repositories. Push and pull will do actions between.
Two repository.
Means when you do push, it will push the code from local repository to remote repository. When you're trying to pull, it will pull the code from remote repository to local repository. Okay.
Okay.
So push and pull works between only two repositories. Okay. But
Okay.
commit will work between your workspace and local repository. See, whenever I added some new code, it will be available in my workspace only. It will not be available in my local repository. Yes or no?
Right.
When I
Yes.
commit, then only it will be available in my local repository. Even you try, when I write something, if I don't commit, if I tell push, it will tell everything is already sent. There is nothing to push because there is nothing in commit to push the changes. Okay.
Okay.
So don't worry, we will look all this. I will take a complete session on Git and then I will explain you. Okay. See, now you are doing command. Okay. Later we can use directly Eclipse only to do. Okay.
Okay.
But learning these commands also is very, very important
Okay.
for interview. Okay. They will ask, can you explain me the Git process, what you do? You have to tell from Git init, Git remote, okay, Git clone, Git status, Git add, Git commit, Git push, Git pull. You have to tell all these commands. Okay.
Okay.
But now you become familiar. Okay. So no problem. Fine. So from tomorrow, we'll look into the framework. Okay. And then after TestNG framework, we will look into Maven. Okay. So till now we're creating Java project. Going forward, we will create Maven project. Okay. After Maven, we will look into page object model. And then our Selenium is over. Okay. Then we will start
Mobile.
database SQL. No. We are having still. We
Okay.
are having SQL. We have to do the setup in your system. I will make a setup in your system and then I will teach you some queries. And also I will take a session where you can not only manual using Java, also you can connect the database and retrieve the data.
Okay.
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 And then after that, we are having API testing. So we will teach, we will explain you what is the APIs using Postman, JMeter. Okay.
Okay.
And then we are having Jenkins. Okay.
Okay.
And then we are then at the last we'll go for Appium. Okay. See, Appium also is using same Java. Appium also is using same Selenium. Okay. Appium also is using same TestNG framework. Okay. So it will be very easy for you. Now in Appium, what you have to learn is the setup is only very, very tough in Appium. Many people are scared of setup and they are not doing. Okay. So when we start APM, we need at least 4 hours for setup. How many hours?
4 hours.
Hours.
Okay. Minimum, we need maximum 4 hours, minimum 2.5, 3 hours if everything is smooth. Okay. So we will do the APM setup on one weekend.
Okay.
Okay. We will take one Sunday or Saturday and then we'll sit together and I will be telling and you will be doing on the same time. Okay.
Yes.
We will do like that setup, and then after the setup we will take 1 week to finish the APM automation. Okay, because we are just going to learn the concepts of APM, because we will be implementing the same Maven, same test ng. By the time already you might know. Okay, it will be very quicker. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I think by maximum by July mid we'll be finishing.
Okay.
We will see how things happen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then fine. Yeah. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye.